Thank you for selecting Hallowell lockers. A tradition of quality since 1903, Hallowell lockers are all manufactured in the USA. Our teen lockers are perfect for bedrooms, playrooms, mudrooms, and garages. You can choose from 7 bright and fun colors. They feature a traditional louvered door, a full-length door hinge, a secure multi-point lifter latch, and a stainless steel recessed handle that fits any standard padlock, or can be fitted with a combination or key lock. Hallowell lockers are built with a 24-gauge steel body, 16-gauge door, and a tough powder coat finish. All edges and corners are milled smooth for safety. For assembly, you will need a 3/8-inch nut driver or socket wrench. A small screwdriver or awl can be used to help line up holes if necessary. So let's get started. In a clean and clear area, unpack the locker and check that you have all the parts as indicated on the instruction sheet. Start by placing the back panel on a flat surface with the side flanges facing up. Note, when connecting the side panels, they are different holes that line up with the top and bottom panels. One at a time, match up the side panel inset flange to the back panel inside edge flange. Using the supplied hardware, going from the outside of locker in, nut and bolt the side panels on. Only finger-tightening hardware at this time, which makes it easier to align the holes as you assemble the rest of the locker. Next, attach the top panel to the outside of the sides and back panel. Now for the bottom panel. Start by placing it on the inside of the locker, smooth side facing inward, and the cutout notches toward the back. Attach bottom. Place hatch shelf with the flanges up. Then attach the single hooks to the back, sliding the flat end under the bridge slots, and attaching the double hook to the center holes. Insert shelf to inside of locker, and bolt in with supplied hardware. Next, carefully place the door frame assembly on the locker front, and align the bolt holes. You will need to open the door to access the holes and attach it. At this point, make sure your locker is square and straight. Now using a 3/8-inch nut driver, tighten all hardware throughout the locker. Unless you are using an optional built-in type lock, go ahead and attach back cover plate to the recessed handle pan with the supplied 2 dome nuts and bolts. Final step, use the small black plastic rivets to attach number plate, and you are done. Thank you for choosing Hallowell lockers.